that all of you are doing great. Well, if you know anything related with the finances, you're aware with the financial institutions or the finances of the world, like Goldman Sachs need not any introduction. One of the leading financial institutions and investment banking services that offer services to institutionals, corporations, and even governments, and as well as individuals. In 2021 alone, they made over $21 billion. Now, having said that, basically they are one of the. I mean, if you try to call these are the big giants in a particular industry, Goldman Sachs would be one of them when it comes to the finances. And they are right now planning to invest tens of millions of dollars to acquire the cryptocurrency companies. Like their executives told that after this FTX implosion, the prices of a lot of great crypto opportunities seems to be sensibly down. Like they are pretty much down, and obviously we all know the bearish sentiments and everything else happening around. But they are planning to invest. Now, somebody could say, okay, somebody who is making $21 billion probably can afford to invest tens of millions of dollars. But apart from investing tens of millions of dollars, the amount of focus and energy that will be required, what is the message that this is implying? That they are trying to acquire the firms that they believe are providing great solutions, and not just one firm, and not just Bitcoin and Ethereum. We are talking about the firms which is providing probably a lot of solutions. And this is one of the smartest money out there within the financial market, guys. I'll repeat, this is one of the smartest money out there. They are planning to acquire at the cheapest price available. Why? Because right now could be one of the cheapest price. When sentiments turn bullish, obviously everyone would be ready to pay. When the market, when there is a big fear in the market, that's when we need to be greedy. When there is a big greed in the market, that's when we need to be fearful. Probably one of the best time when the FTX disaster was occurring when Bitcoin reached 15.5k. Probably one of the best time to be redeploying if the people have not deployed it yet. Now the point is, if you're watching this video right now, again, if you have not first of all subscribed to our channel, please ensure that you hit the subscribe button. This channel is everything about how do we grow your finances. That's what the goal of this channel is. Having said that, if you're watching this video, probably you might have already invested within the crypto market last year, probably last year. Whatever that you have invested, you might already be riding down the wave, and you are at the depths of the lowest things that you might have never thought, like this could be one of the price we could come to, right? Or probably you are one of the luckiest person who has just found the video and you have not invested yet, and right now thinking of investing. One of the luckiest person. Why? Because you would not have ridden the wave downwards. And right now, when the biggest opportunity of your lifetime is there, you have the opportunity to actually invest into those projects, right? Into the projects that can actually change the world, which can give you literally by the next bull market insane amount of gains without even losing the money. The upside is from here. Majority of the perspective is, right? Whichever situation that you are in, like if, or one of the worst situation, probably you might have already capitulated. Why? Because capitulated means you're out of frustration, you might have sold your coins. Why? Because you are expecting the price to go a lot lower so that you can buy it then back, right? The point here is obviously there is no guarantee and there is no chance. A lot of people thought earlier the bottom is in. Again, we saw the bottom. Then we might see another bottom, but the chances are we are already very down, and the market sentiment seems to be turning slowly. The chances of moving up from here is far higher than chances of moving down, and even the scale of moving, like amount that we can move downwards from here, is far less than the amount that we can move upward from here. So if you remove the emotions out of the picture, just try to make the rational decision. One of the worst thing that you can do, capitulate from here and then wait just things to settle down, because once the things settle down, you'll be buying probably at double price a lot of altcoins, right? A lot of coins that you might be interested in. Or if you might have let's say invested it all already, obviously what is the thing that you can do? You can just hold. A lot of people might be planning to invest more, but because of the fear, they are just holding themselves back. The good part is they have not capitulated yet. Yes, wait for the turnaround. But if you're planning to buy it, this is the one of the major signs, and that was the reason I covered this video. one of the smartest money, Goldman Sachs, one of the best analysts in the world, right? They understand what's happening, what is going to be the future. They understand, right? If they are doing something like this, obviously, who are we to outsmart them, right? This is one of the best time to invest. Mark my words. And that is the reason probably I would want all of you guys to subscribe to our channel, share to our video, and again, guys, please ensure that you make yourself part of the lucky draw where we are giving one full Bitcoin away. All you have to do is just click on the link down below and sign up to the Binance exchange. And the moment that you sign up, purchase any of your first cryptocurrency and you will be part of that lucky draw. And we are going to keep on doing the lucky draw in the future as well. You'll be part of every lucky draw. I'll just leave the quick video at the end of it. So having said that, one of the smartest money is investing consistently, acquiring the firms that we believe probably, we are even scared to think about it, right? So for all kind of people who are entering new, thinking whether to buy it right now or not, right? One of the best time to buy. People who are just holding, waiting for turnaround, keep your nerves calm. Just hold. One of the worst time to capitulate right now. Third, people who are holding at the same time they wanted to invest. This is one of the best time to be investing. And if you're not sure, do not put 100%. Just start dollar cost averaging from here. If the price go down further, you might invest further. But there is no guarantee we are going to significant downwards from here, right? The chances of moving and the scale of moving upwards far higher from here. So that's it, guys, for the video. I hope that you found it helpful. If you would like to have one-on-one, again, that's related with the podcast. Okay, I'll just conclude it over here. Smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and comment down below for what do you feel about, is this one of the best time or probably to wait more, or what do you feel? I would like to know your opinion, your sentiments. Thanks a lot, and I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. Opportunity of a lifetime to win one full Bitcoin, and not just for the one time. In fact, every time we have 1000 referral crossed, we will be doing the lucky draw and you will be qualified every time to participate for just doing one time task. What is that one time task? All you have to do is just sign up to Binance exchange with our referral link. The link is down below in the video description, or you can even use the QR code that you see on the screen. Deposit $100 and buy any crypto of your choice. The crypto is yours, the $100 is yours. That's it. You're qualified for the rest of your life to keep on winning one Bitcoin every time we reach 1000 referral. All you have to do after that, email to us your Binance user ID at the email abdullah@abdullahzahid.com. Every 1000 referral, we will select one random user and you are qualified every time we cross 1000 referral, 2000 referral, 3000 referral. That means you can even win 10 Bitcoin. So all you have to do, again, I'll repeat, click the link down below in the description or the QR code. You will be landing up at the Binance sign up page. You click on sign up with phone or email or Google, whichever way you sign up. You deposit $100, you buy any crypto of your choice, and then just email your user ID to our email address. Where do you find your user ID? This is your dashboard. You click on profile and you click on dashboard. The moment you click, you will find at the screen your user ID and you just have to email to us. All the best for your lucky draw.